And here's how to hide reviews on Facebook business page. Open Facebook and switch to the Facebook page, and now go to the page profile. And here we can see currently this page is enabled for reviews. So now on, anyone can post and view reviews to this Facebook page. And in order to hide or remove a specific reviews for Facebook page, then here is no option to hide a specific review. You have to hide or disable entire reviews feature. To do that, tap on your page profile photo at the top right corner and tap on settings. Once you are in your page settings and privacy page, here scroll down and you have to tap on page and tagging, and here we can see allow others to view and leave reviews on your page. All you have to need to hide reviews feature in your page, you have to disable this option. And now I'm going to closing my Facebook app and reopening Facebook, going to my page profile, and here as you can see, review section successfully removed from my Facebook page. So that's how you can hide reviews on Facebook business page. Thanks for watching.